Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, stir-fry pumpkin. So my friend, without any further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. In a heated pot, I'm just going to go ahead with a bit of oil and also a bit of chopped garlic and saute for a few minutes. So my friend, it's always a great pleasure bringing you guys new recipe. Next, I'll go ahead with a bit of chopped onion and stir-fried as well for a few seconds or a minute. So my friend, as always, if you're new to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. On this channel, I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe that you can easily put together. Next, I will go ahead with a bit of chopped tomato and stir fry as well. So my friend, I definitely want to take a moment to shout out my current subscribers and also my new subscribers who watches my video each time I upload. As always, thank you. So my friend, this looks amazing. Next, I will go ahead with a bit of chopped onion and stir fry as well for a few seconds. So my friend, for some of our latest content, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook, and be sure to like. So my friend, this looks amazing. Next, I will go right ahead and add my chicken and stir fry them until fully cooked. So my friend, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of the ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So my friend, if you're a great fan of pumpkin, well, on this channel I always bring you guys unique and delicious recipe that you can easily put together. So my friend, this has to be one of the most delicious stir-fry pumpkin recipe ever. I hope you give this recipe a try and also leave a message or drop a line in the comment section below. So my friend, this looks amazing. I will go ahead and continue stir frying for a few minutes. Then I will go ahead and add my grated pumpkin. So my friend, as mentioned, on this channel I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe. As always, please consider subscribing for more easy video recipe. So my friend, I'm sure once you try my recipe, it will be something that you will find yourself making over and over. So please consider subscribing for more simple video recipe. For additive taste, a bit of white sugar. Next, I will go ahead and add 1 tomato chopped into small slices. So my friend, this looks amazing. Actually, it's been around 15 minutes since I've been stir-frying my chicken. Next, I will go right ahead and add my grated pumpkin and cooked. So guys, this looks amazing. After 5 minutes, I will continue cooking for another 10 minutes. So my friend, how easy was that? At this point, we are all done. Well, now you know how to cook delicious stir-fried pumpkin with chicken. To finish it off, I'll go ahead with a bit of chopped onion. So my friend, I hope you enjoyed this delicious stir-fried pumpkin recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.